Hey guys, welcome to Clash of Clans, and all the Boom Beach viewers. All the Boom Beach lovers. Don't worry, this is the only video we're going to do on Boom Beach, unless this hits 10 likes. So hit that like button if you want more, and be sure to subscribe. So even if you hit what was it? Yeah, 10 likes, you'll be notified. And even if you don't hit 10 likes, you'll be notified of other videos. So hit that subscribe button right now. Now let's attack a base. No mercy. No mercy. No medals. Is there anyone in there? No. Uh-huh. And I think, yeah. I just surround this guy's base with these people. And let the balloons do all the work too. I wish there was a fly in this game, so I could fly my troops, just like in Boom Beach. Okay, I'll see you guys when this is over. Okay, we're done. As you can see, we unlocked 25 more trophies. Okay. I just want to get some peeps. Actually, let's play Giant Smash once again. Yeah, boy, let's play Giant Smash. And two wall breakers. For the giant dive. Yes. Is it possible to lose the tournament? No. I won't listen to him. Cannon, that's a very bad idea. Oh yeah. You little goblins. You are so greedy. Yeah. Like, get them in the bag, man. Get them in the bag. Loot the town hall. That's where all the goodies are too. Yeah. Loot the town hall. Yes. Excellent. Okay, I'll also speed this one up. Actually, no. It's just an 8-minute video of me attacking player bases. Yeah. I don't know what the title is going to be. Attacking. I don't know. Attacking a lot players. No. Smile one. Come on. Yeah, yeet. Perfect. Yay. we just attack? Actually, I want to take revenge on this boy. Yeah, because he attacked me and lost. I don't know if English word correct. So just me attacking a player base, two player bases. I hope you enjoyed. Actually, no, we're not done yet. Oh, yeah. Come on. Angry angels? Come on, no. Angels. Angels can be angry. The angels. If you want to join our clan, it's here. Sati. Actually, this is not my clan. I'm also going to leave this clan in a few days. And in case you want to join, that's the link is as I should I say link. Okay, I think that's going to wrap it up for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hit that like button and bell to not miss out on any other videos. Watch my other videos. Watch Boom Beach. Watch John Cena vs Undertaker. That puppy video, cute puppies for play. And I'll see you next.